Now we have one more small step that we need to complete before we can actually test out our pipeline, and that's to create a trigger. Now what a trigger is anytime a specific event happens in one of your other services, it'll actually cause a Lambda function to be run in response to that event. The trigger that we want to create is we want the S3 bucket to run this Lambda function every time we upload a video into the bucket. This Lambda function will then create an elastic transcoded job from that file name that's passed through. To add our trigger, we're going to scroll down, and in the designer window, we're going to scroll down and select S3. Now we can see that it's been added as a trigger and we need to configure it. If we actually scroll down, this is where we can configure our triggers. Now first we need to select the S3 bucket that the trigger is going to start from. So we're going to click on here and we're going to select our upload bucket. Next we want to specify what event is going to start the trigger. So we're going to select this and we're going to click on Object Created All. That means anytime a new object is added to the S3 bucket, this trigger will be started. You can specify other things like specific directories that the trigger will only fire on, or specific suffixes like if you have any file names that you want to match, for example MP4. But for now, we're just going to leave it as is. Let's click on Add. Now we need to actually save again, so we're going to scroll up to the top and click on Save.